Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Things to know before you do aligner therapy. There are a lot of aligners which are available in the market. There is Invisalign also. There are different packages available for aligners. So before you do aligner therapy, we should go to a orthodontist. First thing you should understand is that it is a treatment. You will not go to a normal doctor to have your labor or your baby born in a normal doctor's office, but you will go to a gynecologist. Like that, aligner is also a treatment which has to be done by a specialist, because that is gonna move the teeth. A simple ones can be done by a dentist, but if it is a complex movement and things like that, you better go to a orthodontist, because orthodontist will plan how the teeth has to move rather than just have an idea of just doing some movements here and there by the aligner company, because companies will is actually doing it as a business, but the doctor is actually to treat and heal your problem. So there will be underlying causes for these cases. So the orthodontic problem may not be an orthodontic problem if there was no reason behind it. So we have to identify the reason and we have to avoid it. So the first thing is actually to find out the reason for the problem. So if it is a genetic reason, there is nothing to be done, we can still do the orthodontic treatment. But if there is a habit behind it, or if there is a tooth which is actually giving trouble because of that it is moved, then we will have to take out the tooth or move a pathology behind it. We have to find out the reason why the tooth moved to that position, then you have to do it. Otherwise, as soon as you finish the treatment, you might get back the problem, then your money is lost, your time is lost, and you will not be happy with the treatment. So first thing is to find out the reason. So you go to the orthodontist, then the orthodontist will find out the reason, and then you can avoid the reason so that the relapse will not occur. That is the first thing which has to go. Second part to it is actually to know which company is doing it, to understand whether Invisalign is doing it or some other company is doing it. What are the packages? There are different packages even for Invisalign, from Invisalign Go to Invisalign Full, even Invisalign Lite, Invisalign Teen, and there are a lot of packages available for Invisalign. Just like that, each company, in each aligner company, there are different packages which are available. Some are with refinement, some are without refinement, some are with retainer packages and things like that. So we need to understand what are the different packages which are available with the doctor also. Please ask what is the treatment plan, what is your treatment cost for the doctor. So because some doctors will just talk about the aligner only, there will be other peripheral things like cleaning your teeth, extraction of teeth, modifications on teeth. There will be cleaning after or during the aligner therapy. Each visit there will be a charge. So all these things has to be planned beforehand itself. Otherwise, if you go and get the treatment, all these things has to happen. So if it is not a package, then you will be spending much more than going to another person who is giving you the package. So please ask for a package if it is possible, or please understand what are the costs for each procedure. Like if there is a tooth extraction, how much does it cost? If there is some modifications on the teeth, if there is an attachment to be placed, is it being charged extra? If there is a aligner which is missing, then is there a cost to it? If there is a refinement required, will it cost extra? If there is an extra impressions required, all these things has to be very clearly, or you have to go to a orthodontist or a person who will give you a package on the whole thing. Then you do not have to worry, it will all be under the package itself. If you have to understand, you have to also understand whether the retention protocol is being planned on the first day itself. If there is no retention protocol, then you are going to fail the aligner therapy, because each and every aligner case has to be having a retention protocol. So what is the retention protocol? Will it going to be charged extra, or is it part of the treatment plan. So, the major plan where we have to understand is to understand and discuss of the cost of the aligner therapy. You should not just go and ask. Most of the people ask me on the YouTube, or they'll ask me on WhatsApp, what's the cost here. They don't know what exactly is going behind the cost. So, whether I am going to charge you for the proximal slicing which I am going to do, the extraction what I am going to do, or is there any charges for the x-rays, or is it all incorporated into one package. All these things has to be very clearly understood, and then we will have to ask about the cost of the aligners. Then only we'll have, see, unless you understand and then sign the plan for the whole contract, otherwise you will be thinking that, oh, everything is included, and then you will be spending more, and then it will be an unhappy event. So, all these things will count before you start the aligner therapy. And moreover, you should always ask the orthodontist whether he has done aligner therapy in the past, and whether he has done the specific case for that aligner therapy, whether your case is fit for the aligner therapy under that company. So, all these things has to be planned, and please ask for the videos, the change videos before you do. You verify that, you understand this is the movement which you are getting, this is the only movement you are going to get. All these things has to be understood, and then only you give, okay, I can go ahead with the treatment. Otherwise, what will happen is you will not be happy with it, because the doctor has already given you the treatment plan, the video of how the movement is there. Please check, please take time, please ask the dentist if you have a query on that. Will it move that tooth? Will it move this tooth? I would like to move the tooth back. Before we start the treatment, please tell, because the doctor will not be held liable, because he has already sent you the videos, and this is the movement and things like that. The fourth thing is actually to understand that it has to be worn 17 to 21 hours, then only it will be, and it has to be worn in sequence. Some of the patients, they wear it, they wear one and then they check, oh, it is loose, they will wear the second one. Please don't do that. Please make sure that you are a disciplined person who will wear it on a daily basis. You will not remove it every now and then, you will keep it clean and things like that, then only you start the aligner therapy. Otherwise, if you are not a disciplined person who will take the aligners and keep it somewhere and miss it, then you are going to lose the money also. So, please take care about all these points, and then only you do the dental treatment. Otherwise, you will end up with unhappy faces, unhappy decisions and things like that. So, please make sure all these things are possible. Please go and ask your dentist or the orthodontist who is treating you, and then you go accordingly. Thank you very much for listening to me. Make sure that you do aligner therapy, and you do it in the right way, the right company and the right doctor. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe my channels to understand more about dentistry and more about dental treatments. Please watch other videos also. If you have a comment, if you have a query, please ask me. I will send you what I think about that query in the days to come. Thank you very much.
Wikidonist.com